Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these freeze-dried bananas. I got these on sale. Check this out. We're going to do a quick taste test. And let me show you the box. There's like 10 packs in here. It's just banana. Alright, let's open this up. So I've tried a lot of things that are freeze-dried, but I've never tried banana yet. I've tried like strawberries. You get those in like cereal boxes and stuff like that. So here we go. Whoa, these are awesome. These are like, think of like banana chips, but without the crunch, but so much more flavorful. Wow, these are really good. Yeah, really good, guys. It tastes like a real banana that is crunchy. So definitely check it out. It has a lot of flavor. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.